It would surprise many people that the employee attrition rate in tech companies is around 13%. Our employee attrition rate is 3%. And we looked at what was driving that. The research is very clear. Employees who see career development and skill growth in their organization tend to stay longer. So, one way that organizations can really focus on skill development is to focus on leadership development for their managers, because that drives retention across the organization. And one way to do that is to run a development focused 360. What that means is you run a 360 survey assessment, you get feedback from the manager's manager, from manager's peers, direct reports, and some of the other functional people they work with. And make sure that this 360 is focused on development and not on employee review assessment. So the development means that you're asking questions that will give some insight into areas that the manager can get good at. For example, if you get a feedback in the 360 that I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do, I don't have clarity around my expectations, or that I don't feel like I get enough time with my manager, things of this nature, that's an excellent coaching opportunity for that manager to become a better manager. So use that as a way to feed that into the manager's coaching and growth process. Get them a mentor, or get them a coach that can help them improve their communication skills, their expectation setting skills, and their goal setting skills, and building better teamwork, and making sure that they have a sense of empathy for their people that will drive better overall team collaboration. And ultimately, this is all going to drive better retention.